Exodus chapter 16. And they departed from Elim, and all the congregation of the sons of Israel came unto the wilderness of Sin, which is between Elim and between Sinai. And on the 15th day, in the 2nd month, they went forth from out of the land of Egypt. All the gathering of the sons of Israel complained to Moses and Aaron. And the sons of Israel said to them, Ought we died, being struck by the Lord in the land of Egypt, whenever we sat at the kettles of the meats, and ate breads in fullness? For you led us into this wilderness to kill all this congregation by hunger. And the Lord said to Moses, Behold, I rain upon you breads from out of the heaven, and the people shall come forth, and shall collect together the bread day to day, that I should test them if they shall go by my law or not. And it will be in the 6th day, and they shall prepare whatever they should carry in, and it shall be double whatever they should bring, according to day by day. And Moses and Aaron said to all the gathering of the sons of Israel, At evening you will know that the Lord led you out from out of the land of Egypt. And in the morning you will see the glory of the Lord in the hearing of your grumbling against God. And we, what are we that you complain against us? And Moses said, Is it in the Lord giving to you in the evening meats to eat, and breads in the morning for fullness, on account of the Lord's hearing your grumbling, which you complain against us? But we, what are we? For your grumbling is not against us, but against God. And Moses said to Aaron, Say to all the congregation of the sons of Israel, Come forward before God, for he has heard your grumbling. And when Aaron spoke to all the congregation of the sons of Israel, that they turned into the wilderness, and the glory of the Lord appeared in a cloud. And the Lord spoke to Moses, saying, I have heard the grumbling of the sons of Israel. Speak to them, saying, Towards evening you shall eat meats, and in the morning you will be filled of breads, and you shall know that I am the Lord your God. And it was evening, and ascended the mother quail, and it covered the camp. And in the morning there was a resting of the dew round about the camp. And behold, upon the face of the wilderness, a thin thing as coriander, white, as ice upon the earth. And seeing it, the sons of Israel said, the other to the other, What is this? For they knew not what it was. And Moses said to them, This is the bread which the Lord gave to you to eat. This is the thing which the Lord ordered. Bring together of it each for what is fitting, an omer per head, according to the number of your souls. Let each with the ones of your tents collect together. And the sons of Israel did so, and they collected together what was much and what was less. And measuring with the omer, the one which had much was not superabundant, and the one which had less had not too less. For each collected together what was fitting for himself. And Moses said to them, Let no one leave behind of his into the morning. And they hearkened not to Moses, but left behind some of it into the morning. And worms erupted, and it stunk. And Moses was embittered over them. And they collected it together morning by morning, each the fitting thing for himself. And when the sun warmed through, it melted away. And it happened in the 6th day, they collected together the necessary double amount, 2 omers to the one person. And all the rulers of the congregation entered and announced to Moses. And Moses said to them, "This word is what the Lord spoke. A Sabbath rest, holy to the Lord, is tomorrow. Whatever as much as you should bake, bake. And whatever as much as you should boil, boil. And all the thing being superabundant, leave it for reposit for the morning." And they left of it into the morning, as Moses ordered them. And it did not stink, nor was there a worm in it. And Moses said, "You eat it today, for it is a Sabbath to the Lord. Today you shall not find any in a plain. 6 days you shall collect together, but the 7th day is a Sabbath, for it shall not be found in it." And it came to pass on the 7th day, and came forth certain ones from out of the people to collect together, and they found not. And the Lord said to Moses, "For how long will you not listen to my commandments and my law? See, for the Lord gave to you this Sabbath day. On account of this he gave to you on the 6th day breads for 2 days. Let each sit down in your houses by himself. Not one of you go forth from out of his place during the 7th day." And the people observed the Sabbath in the 7th day. And the sons of Israel named it. The name of it was manna. And it was as the seed of coriander, white, and the taste of it was as pastry with honey. And Moses said, "This is the thing which the Lord ordered. Fill the omer of the manna for a reposit for your generations, that they might see the bread which you ate in the wilderness, as the Lord led you from out of the land of Egypt." And Moses said to Aaron, "Take 1 golden jar, and put in it a full omer of manna, and put it aside before God for preservation into your generations." In which manner the Lord ordered Moses, even Aaron put it aside before the testimony for preservation. And the sons of Israel ate the manna 40 years, until they came into the land to be lived in. They ate the manna until they came into a part of Phoenicia. Now the omer was the 10th of 3 measures.